Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make liquid chlorophyll at home. First, gather your fresh green leafy vegetables like spinach or parsley and ensure they are thoroughly washed. You'll also need some basic kitchen tools, a blender, a fine mesh strainer, and a saucepan. This simple method allows you to create your own chlorophyll, giving you control over the ingredients. It's a straightforward process that brings the benefits of this green pigment right to your kitchen. To begin, you'll need about 1 cup of fresh, dark leafy greens. Excellent choices include spinach, parsley, or kale, as they are rich in chlorophyll. For the liquid base, prepare 6 cups of cold, filtered water. Make sure you have a reliable high-speed blender ready, as it's crucial for breaking down the greens effectively. Lastly, a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth will be necessary for the straining step to separate the liquid from the pulp. Now, let's get to the extraction. Combine your 1 cup of washed leafy greens with 6 cups of cold water in your blender. Blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and bright green. Next, pour this blended liquid through your fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a saucepan, pressing out as much liquid as possible. Heat this strained liquid over a very low heat, stirring constantly, until you see small green particles begin to rise to the surface. This indicates the chlorophyll is separating. Quickly cool the mixture by adding a handful of ice, then strain it one more time through a muslin-lined sieve to collect the concentrated chlorophyll paste. Once your liquid chlorophyll is ready, transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. For optimal freshness and potency, aim to consume it within 5 to 7 days. Many people enjoy chlorophyll for its potential benefits, which include supporting detoxification, promoting clearer skin, and acting as a natural internal deodorizer. And speaking of exploring, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Remember to shake well before each use and enjoy your homemade green boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.